Good morning, everybody. I hope you're well and happy. Sam Evans of StockAbility here with you today. I hope you're having a good one so far. Today's date is April 15th, 9:58. Going to be doing the radio show in a couple of hours, but I wanted to just get in touch with you and just do my little video for the day. Didn't have one yesterday. Had a really busy day. Actually, and I did lose yesterday. I ended up down about $400 yesterday. Really caught off guard on it, but managed to make some of that back on a move to the downside, thankfully, as well. But today, after many responses to my previous email, hey, you always seem to go short. Guess what? Today I bought. Today I did actually go long. I bought in this transition zone breakout here with a push to the upside as we broke out of the overnight. And I have already closed out the trade and taken profit for $870. Not the biggest day, but not the smallest day either. Why? I am concerned. We are in a great upward trend, and I'm not going to deny that. And I've been waiting for a decent pullback. But these outside days always get me a bit dicey, especially considering we're getting so overextended on those fibs as well. And I think at 33,898 we could see some real selling pressure, maybe even a little bit of front running. If it goes higher, so be it, but it could also go a whole lot lower, and this market is really kind of overdone. Here's the trade itself, so you can see just where I got in around here and where I closed out just around here as well for the smart profit taking. As you can see, it's a little bit higher. I don't care about things like that. I mean, I was in the market at around 9:30, closed out for the day around 9:43, so be it. If I end up sacrificing a few dollars, it's better than sacrificing a whole chunk of profit, and I just don't feel good about this as well. These markets are heavily extended, and to me they need a little bit of a pullback, but more of a little bit of fun than anything else, guys. I wanted you to see I don't just short the market, I do buy as well. I hope you found that useful. When you're buying on new highs, do be careful, because sometimes that market can give back or take back what it gives you very quickly. I hope you found this useful. I'm going to be around for Take Stock Live a little bit later, and if you've got any questions, go to StockAbility.com. We're more than happy to help them, and I hope to see you guys real soon as well. Just gone 10 a.m. here, Sam Evans, StockAbility. Catch you soon.